everyone! Hi, future teachers! Welcome back to my channel. Haha, charot! Matagal ko na kasi yung pangarap na sabihin. So, let's read some of your comments. More content po, sir. Thank you sa sir. More content po. Thank you everyone for appreciating me. We are trying our best. Yung aking team, Char lang, may team, na gumawa ng more content. Nagkasakit lang talaga ako for the past several weeks. Ngayon nga, medyo masakit pa yung throat ko. Okay, another comment here. Sarap manood ng mga video nyo, ma'am. Malinaw magpaliwanag. Ang galing nyo mag-explain, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. Ito pala yon. Thanks, ma'am. I want more. More of what? Char. So, thank you, na-appreciate nyo na clear ako mag-discuss at marami kayo natutunan sa akin. So, that's why for our next lesson, naintindihan nyo, guys? And we have more comments dun sa ating question. The highest category in the classification of plants and animals. So, when that question, ang dami nag-comment ng kung paano natin siya maalala. So, one of the comments is, dream kong pumasa cause our family gets sweldo. Hope it will help. So, thank you for helping each other, guys. Another is, Dear King Philip, come over for good spaghetti. So, mamili na lang kayo kung anong gusto ninyo. Di ka papasa causes our family great sadness. Medyo, oh my gosh, nakakatakot naman tong pampaalala na to. Ayan. Another comment na gusto ko ding i-highlight, guys, was in the question, the steam engine was a key invention during what industrial revolution? So, si Sir King, nag-comment siya dito, SECA, S-E-C-A, S for steam engine, that's the first. E for electricity for the second, C computer third, and the fourth is AI. Okay? So, thank you, Sir King, for sharing your mnemonic. And another, hi po, Ma'am Jen, na available po ba mga notes niyo po and how much po? So, for the notes, guys, everything I discussed is available under Leap Review and Educational Services, INC. So, we have a Facebook and we have also TikTok. So, please click follow and share.